Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to change volume using your earbuds SHOKZ OpenRun Pro 2. So to change the volume, at the right headphone at the bottom we have volume up button what have a plus icon and volume down button what have a minus icon. Now let me play some song. To increase the volume, you need to press one time at the volume up button, and I just press it, and as you can see at this widget I increase the volume. To lower it, you need to use volume down button as I said, and you need to again press one time, and as you can see at this widget, it works. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!